Welcome to my channel. Right now, you can see I'm in Sukhumvit, a very happening area in Bangkok. Lot of hotels, restaurants, market, and quite center. You can say modern. And this video is mostly like I'm showing you the hotel view and some 360 view of city from Baiyoke Sky Hotel. So as now I'm going to inside the hotel room. This this video is not just like other. Just I'm telling you just some kind of information and some visuals. I hope you will like. This is the room I got from the hotel. I booked online, so it was quite very easy, and they gave me some above 70 floors, so you can imagine how beautiful view from there. It's like night view, morning view. It's like, and plus point is that if you book this hotel, this is very in center of the town. Lot of market inside, like outside if you go, lot of markets are there. You can visit like Bayoki's night market, like lot of restaurants also there outside also. Even if you want to have inside also, they have very good restaurants, and especially this is like very tall building in center of town. As per now, I'm going to 360 rotation. Is there something? So I'm going to see that. And plus point is like if you book this hotel, you will get free access to this area. Otherwise, you have to pay separately for tickets. So it's quite better if you book for one day, and it's if you're if you have time or if you want to. Otherwise, it's okay if you buy tickets as well. I guess best time is for here is night only, because in night you can see stars and lot of lights are there. And this is the top of the way to go. As you can see, it's like our make, I guess, revolving deck. Revolving 360 deck is name, and you can see now rotation. If you feel the iron rods are like moving only, so it's not very fast. It's slow only. So it will take time to rotate 360. So if you have any hurry, so you have to just walk. I went in like very daytime. It's very sunny that time. This is a view, quite nice view and nice city. You can see the river also there. Nothing much, just this view 360. You can see one side is like very high, buildings are there, sky, and other side is like bit low floors buildings are there. And this is like a main posh area. Other side also have one sky tower is like opposite of that. This like straight if you see from there. There also have like glass floor. I already uploaded that video. If you want to see, you can see video. And this is the other side of like town. You can see very small buildings are there. That is like extension of the city, little far from main town. And this is a rotation deck. You can see how it's revolving, and you can see down. You can see the how beautiful they have roads. It's like good connectivity of road inside the city. If you are in like in city, you can take any road to, and just few kilometers you will get the expressway. It's like all around the city. These are like expressways, so it's quite easy to move. Yeah, it's like lot of traffic here, especially morning, evening. But after reaching this highway will be free. It's like freeway, less traffic, and easily you can cross the city. Not like other towns, like you have to go all the way, and it's like quite happening city. Visit Bangkok and stay here. It's tourist friendly city, so you will enjoy the city more rather than, because it's very welcoming country and city. People are happier if you don't mess with them unnecessary. If you're polite and you have smile, then they will be happy with you and you will not face any problem. Just be polite and calm there and respect them. That's all. I don't want. This is the last. This, if you will see that this building is tall building. This is have like skyscraper also. This is the biggest, and you can go from there. It's like 900 and 1000 baht ticket for that. Like glass bridge is here, so you can check out that also. I will mention that video. That's all now. This is I capture from my another camera, so you can see more closer. Then